Guys, this is a video on how to scale a window cleaning business, and this is how to actually find people to go and knock for you. And I want you to realize like one of two things is happening. Either you have a business that you're trying to build and scale a door-to-door sales team, or you're one of the dudes that is going out and knocking and you're doing a decent amount. You joined a course or seen some dudes like Adam Chapman, or you've seen those two brothers that flex that 2012 Lamborghini. And all of these things, again, this is just how to find people to knock for you and build an actual sales team. All of these coincide with one another, and they're going to push into this step right here, which comes into this step, and I'll talk about these in a second, which then turns into these right there. So the first part of this is you're going to create 100 lists. This list is a list of 100 people that you think, like, just that you're going to do pen to paper. You're going to write this down. This is important because when you do this, you're going to remember dudes like, oh, I remember this guy from this party. I remember this guy from this thing with this football meeting, and he was good, and I remember he said this and that. So first people that you're going to write down is, again, warm network that you think would be really, really good at it. And the reason for this is just because you're going to go down and you're going to rank them, and these are going to be the people that you reach out to first. After that, you're going to go into people that you think would be good at it. But once you finish the good ones, then it's like, okay, people that would be okay at it. And then after that, and you run out of names there, you're going to go through and you're going to write down people that you have in like your Snapchat, your Instagram, your X, but just people that you know from like in your not warm network that you actually know and can talk to. Once you guys finish that, this is the next step. Again, I want you guys to focus on the 100 list first, and you want to squeeze these. It's almost like you're knocking an area, so that way then you can get more sales. You're gonna go back through and keep doing that. Now, with shoulder taps, this is the next step. This is after you've tapped into your warm market, and you're kind of like, oh shoot, what's the next thing? All a shoulder tap is you're gonna go over to a college place, and you're going to hang out in like the commons area, and you're gonna shoulder tap on people that look like studs. Like, you know what a stud looks like. This is athletes. It's people that are like jacked. This is people that walk with some swagger on them, and they've got some confidence inside of them. Can you get the nerdy guy that like wears headphones that is just like, the 90s glasses and has like super long hair that looks like a hippie? Sometimes, but like they're not going to be that driven as the dudes that look like Chads. You know the dudes that want that stuff. Those are the types of guys that you want to bring around and build a culture with. Um, that's who to shoulder tap. So the next step is the sign. Again, if you guys are jumping through and you're like, "Oh shit, I haven't done these two yet, but I'm going to start with these two." No, dude, don't do that. Start with this. This is how you actually build a decent team. The next one is the sign. The sign, all this one is you're going to go around the college and you're going to be putting flyers around the college letting people know, "Hey, there's an opportunity here to make some money." And once you do that, you're just basically creating a fun thing to do. And then from that fun thing to do, you're actually getting them in and letting them know. With these two, you're just all you're doing is getting a name and a number, and you're just putting them into your network, and you're basically adding them to that list, your pipeline, if you will. The next step is the unspoken. This isn't really talked about much when it comes to recruiting. A lot of people kind of keep it on the low, but everybody does it, and you guys have gotten message doing it before too. So it's cold DMs if you didn't know already. These cold DMs, they're powerful, but the thing is if you are anything like a bot, you are going to get pooped on. Don't be a bot. Don't sound like you're trying to recruit people to some Mary Kay thing or some Herbalife thing. Like, bro, that's freaking boring. So these are the things that you guys can do to actually start building a pipeline and get people into, guess what it's called? The funnel. Yay. From the funnel, you're gonna have people that are cold. They're okay. There's gonna be people that are like warm and they're like, oh yeah, like I'm open to the idea, but I just don't understand it enough. And then there's gonna be the people that are like, oh my gosh, like I want to go out and make, $30,000 this summer. Like, let's go and do it. And it's doable. Don't get me wrong, you can make 30K in a summer. A lot of you guys are doing even more than that. Once you guys get them here on this step, you're going to transition them into the signing. And again, and this is where you give them paperwork to come out and sell with you. And it's like this is the different things that we're going to be doing. Once you guys get people into the signing, this is where you actually get guys into the onboarding. And this is when they're going out and selling with you, and you have all of the structure of what you guys are doing with it when you guys are selling. And that's for another video, but for now, that's what I've got for you boys.